How to unhide balance on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about unhiding our balance on Revolut in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So, when it comes to unhiding or, basically showing our balance on Revolut, there's a common misconception that people have is, they get a blurred balance section on their Revolut, and it's a pretty common issue. People don't know what to do with it. So don't worry. I'm here to tell you exactly what you're supposed to do with this. So basically, what you're going to do is the blurry balance thing is going to look somewhat like this. You're going to get exactly this interface over here. So, in this exact interface, what's going to happen is that everything is blurred over here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this left circle icon over here on this top left corner. Once you click on it, it's going to give you an option that says security and privacy. And once you do that, you're going to go on security and privacy. And once you go on security and privacy, it's going to give you an option that says hide balance. Okay. And if that balance is checked, which it probably will be if your balance is blurred, then you're just going to unhide it. You're just going to uncheck that, and that's going to unhide your balance on Revolut. And that is how you are going to be appealing your balance into your Revolut app. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.